Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to lock or hide chats in WhatsApp to keep your conversations private and secure. First of all, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then click on group chat or individual chat you want to lock. Then click on group name or individual name at the top. Scroll down and then click on lock chat option. It may ask you password or face lock to hide and unhide the chat. Click on continue button. In my case, face lock is used to lock or unlock the chat. Now when you go to the chat list, you will not get that chat which you have recently locked. You have to click on locked chats and you must verify with password or face lock. If everything okay, you will be able to view the chat. In this way you can lock chat in WhatsApp. You want in the list, then click on locked chats. Then long press the chat you want to unlock. Then select unlock chat option. Now you will get this chat in the chat list. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar video. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.